Epstein with your morning flash update, and this update is for Tuesday, and we're at the 3rd of May, 2022, just after 8:33 a.m. Central Time. So as I'm looking at the market, well, we're back down in the stock market. It was up just before the market official opening. As everything's getting placed in, you can see it bouncing around as certain stocks are open. That's why this first few minutes of trade, I always let the market go by. You've got to get all the calculations in as everything opens in the cash stocks. In the different markets, in the metals, they're getting a bounce. Now, word is that what's going on in China, and that's definitely affecting this, is that they want to be more lenient in Beijing than they were in Shanghai concerning the COVID outbreaks, their zero policy. So you're seeing them take steps that are different. As you know, they've closed the gyms, cinemas now, restaurants you cannot dine in, public schools are closed, but they have not gone to the point where they're saying in the different parts of the districts that make up the city that they're shutting them down and doing the lock-ins yet. They're doing their best to avoid that because it's so painful for what they're doing for both the people and their economy. Down a bit right now, as you can see in all the energies, down about $1 at this point. Bonds and notes getting a rally. Don't try to make something out of nothing. Tomorrow morning we get the FOMC meeting. We're going to have an idea what the Fed is doing, a better idea. I think it's fait accompli that they're going to do a 50 basis point hike, and they're going to announce the beginning of the rundown of the balance sheet. How much? That'll be the amount that we talk about, but I'm hearing $100 billion a month. Grain markets raining right now. So that rain across parts of the Midwest, if you saw yesterday's crop conditions, we're behind. So behind, tight world supplies on energies. Big report today that the U.S. can't possibly continue sending all the energy we are abroad and not have prices continue to go up at the pump and everywhere else. So those are things that you have to consider as well. Now, the economic data, Red Book sales, powerful. The consumer's out there. You remember, a year ago at this time, we were already coming out of the COVID lockdowns that we had, not quite like China, but you understand what I'm saying, in the different cities, the masks and everything, and we're still gaining on those numbers. This is powerful. March factory orders, they'll come out this morning at 9. The Reserve Bank of Australia, no surprise here. We were looking for the market to get a rate hike. They got a 25 basis point hike. They've got big inflation that they're trying to fight. Sentiment, as you can see, slipping. And Eurostat data just came out, and the factory gate prices, as they call them, in March jumped 5.3% from the prior month, from February, and they're up 36.8% from a year ago, March. I mean, these are big gains. Energy prices, you know, they got to be the culprit. And as you can see, they were up in March 11% already, and dramatically higher from a year ago, like a double. Yeah, double. So really big numbers that you have to work with on that. Now remember, I'm going to have the live webinar this Thursday. I open it at 12:15. I start at 12:30 p.m. This is all Central Time. It ends 20 minutes later. Make time for it. When you register, and I'll show you how to do that right now, when you register, if you have questions you want me to do, in your registration form, when you get the receipt back that you've registered, is my email address. Click on it, write me what you want me to cover, and I'll do that for you. Just move your cursor up here to the top, anywhere up there, you'll see the icon, give it a click. That's how you register for the webinar. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great day, and I will talk to you all at the end of the day in your market wrap-ups. Good trading to you.